Hey, I'm here at a house with a client. He just bought this. This is in Craning, 1329 Craning. Will, what do you think?
I think it's amazing. This is the first time I've been inside. It looks better than I thought.
So you bought it basically without even looking. I never got inside. I couldn't get inside. It was crazy.
Funny enough, this was the only property that we couldn't get inside. Like we saw a couple more. This was the one we couldn't get inside, but the numbers were great, so why not?
Yeah, thanks. So you can see here, it's got the nice flooring, cabinets. It's got that. We're gonna leave that, right? That fork looks pretty cool, I think.
Yeah.
All that.
Fancy.
We got the newer vinyl windows in here.
Mm-hmm.
See that?
Yeah.
Countertops. What else do you notice? Anything else?
Fully with flooring all around.
Yeah, it's really nice. Just a different color here, and I think we'll keep the fan, right?
Yeah, the fan looks decent. Even this fan up.
Oh yeah, I like that one too, actually.
Yeah, we can keep that. We can put more light, like some lights around. But
and just so you know, we went through this and we went through the whole thing as we went, but we wanted to make sure that we got the vinyl windows. We're going to take the curtains down and put new blinds. Mm-hmm. We have an interior decorator that put together the colors. It's going to be good gray and white. So, and you can see here, I think what's interesting about these houses is this rounded corner. Mm-hmm. You ever notice that?
Yeah.
Well, a lot of people do when they'll put recessed lighting or something in here. We're not going to do that with the rental, but this one's going to get $1,600 a month. So, and I don't know if you noticed this flooring, but it's marble.
Oh, it is?
It's marble, yeah. It's all marble. So we're going to put in a new toilet, and we're going to get all this fixed, and of course we're going to put in a shower head. Those are pretty nice there. What do you think about the bedroom size?
It's pretty great. It's big, nice bedroom. With a lot of windows, which is so good, like a lot of natural light. And a good close size as well.
I think we should mention too, this has got a new roof on it too, didn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That's one of the, what you want to look for is those major things. And again, we're going to keep this light, right?
I guess the previous one really liked fans.
Yeah. So that's going away, the pool.
Yeah.
What's unique about this house too is we own this one next door, so we have a lot of history here. So let's go upstairs. Well, when you want, let's go upstairs, and we're going to take all this carpet off. And there's usually wood underneath there. We either stain it or we'll paint it.
That's so nice. There's pulling wood underneath. We can just polish that and.
Yeah. So we pulled this back, and this has the pine. So a lot of these houses, they put the oak on the bottom for some reason, and the pine, which is a lighter wood, is why probably. We'll get all the strips out. We'll clean and poly. You want to show them the cabinet, all the closets there? So yeah, plenty of room. Then you could put like an office here. There's another light there.
Windows. There's a lot of windows here as well.
Yes, yeah. So this is a nice big. This is the biggest, right?
Yeah. This is the biggest.
So let's go downstairs in the basement and look at that. We have to replace the driveway on this one. We still got a good enough price to make that happen. By the way, these are metal. No. Back in the day, they made metal. We'll take this carpet off here and paint these too. It has a newer water heater. So one thing I noticed on this, just so you know, and what's really important, we'll have to put an overflow there, and I think we're going to put we'll put a pan underneath it. We're going to replace this. It's an old one, so we just don't want any trouble. We got to do some stuff outside to get that taken care of. Not a big deal. I'm going to show them the beautiful shower.
Oh yeah, the sink.
What's that? That's a laundry sink, is what they call it. Yeah. So here's where the washer and dryers all hook up. All this, there's your 220. And then here's the shower. So for some reason they put a shower down there. We're going to keep it.
Linen closet as well.
Yeah, right there, linen closet. We're going to keep the shower because that gives it 2 showers in here, which helps it. Then they had a nice big playroom, a rec room you want to call it, but just needs painted and redone. Came with a pool table. I don't think we're going to keep that pool table, are we?
I mean, even if we do, we can put it on the side, It adds to the rec room.
Yes, rec room, right. And there's the water meter, important, and there's your pool. It's got everything. Yeah, look at that. It's got even score right there.
I think it could be a nice rec room.
Yeah. So this is, what do you think?
I think it's a great buy, and Brett has helped me gain so much knowledge about the area. I'm like, this is the first time I'm, like I said, and we bought this, I think a month ago. We just closed on it.
Yep, just a couple
First time inside.
a couple
Seems
weeks
like
ago.
it's going to turn out great. I can't wait for it to see after all the renovations are done.
Yeah, and we're going to be putting wood drywall up here too.
Yeah.
Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Sure. Yeah, thank you so much for spreading all the good knowledge and good investments.
You're a great
deals.
investor, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
I like the deals you research. You bring so much value to your clients. For
Thank
sure.
you so much. I appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody.